Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the Himal Ranger. So this video is a little bit different. This is not a regular motor vlogging. So today we are here to assemble a new PC. We're gonna assemble this at home. So this video is all about that, and me and Nikhil we're gonna do it. So basically we are not a professional one. We have actually I have never tried assembling it at home, but Nikhil has assembled his PC a couple of years back. So if we say we are a bit of both of our amateurs, so we're gonna do it anyway. Let's see how it turn out. And see, so there are a couple of parts available here. The cabinet and the RAM, we got it from online. And rest of the parts, when we go to brick and mortar shop in and around Siliguri, the price was similar with the online. So we prefer to purchase them offline. So I'm gonna give you details about the prices of all the parts and from where I purchased it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing and starting with the assembling. Okay, so now Mr. Nikhil is doing the rest of the work. Basically, we have completed putting in the main parts. Now is connecting the motherboard with the power supply, you know. And look how complicated it is. So I guess now we can say we are not only, I can say I can from amateur to I have become an intermediate, and I think Nikhil now can get certification of professional from semi-professional to professional. But we have to wait. We should make sure the CPU is switching on and the window is loading. Okay, let's see. We are wrapping up with the connection, and then we'll get back after it's been done. So finally we are done with the assembling, and CPU is turning on well. And yeah, the one thing is left where we need to install the operating system. Now we have to make the pen drive bootable, and then we have to install the operating system. Since we haven't done it, but still it's a okay sign. The CPU is working and it's connecting, the output is coming out. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, please put in the comment section below, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, the Himal Ranger.